Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you want to start your own online store, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you step by step how to make an e-commerce website from picking a platform to designing your store, adding products and launching. Grab a coffee and let's get started. First of all, pick the right e-commerce platform. So here you can see we have a couple of platforms over here to open, that is Shopify, Wix, Squarespace and many more available in the market. But first, you need an e-commerce platform. The most popular options are Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Wix. For beginners, Shopify is a great choice because of all-in-one, easy to set up, and does not need any coding. If you prefer WordPress, WooCommerce is also powerful but needs a bit more technical setup. Today, I will use Shopify as an example since it is beginner friendly. So you just need to create your account. First of all, you just need to go to the shopify.com and then click on start for free. Once you click over here, it will ask you for the login credential like email and password. I already have an account, that's why I will click on login. So you just need to answer a few questions about your business. So here, let's see what they will ask me in here. Let's keep patience here and let's wait a bit to complete the loading. It will take some problem or time to loading, so you just need to keep patience. So here you can see our dashboard will be open within a second. Let's be patient here. So here you can see that our trial version has been finished, so I will create another store again and I will get to see it. Like click on create store. Once I click over here, as you can see how easy the process was to create a website in here. You just need to click on create store and they will ask you some few simple questions about your business, so you just need to keep all the answers. And then here this is the question. Let's go to the next, or you can skip the customization right now. I will select it to next again and again. Let's go ahead with this one. Once it complete, our website will be complete. Don't worry, you can change this later. Once you are in, you will see Shopify dashboard. Then in step 3, we are going to choose and customize our theme. So that for reason, let's make your store look amazing. You just need to click on online store. Once you click over here, then you will find out the theme option. Just select the theme options. Shopify has free and paid themes. Pick one that fits your brand. Here you can change your logo again. Once you find out that your theme is work properly, then come back that place again and just click to the customize and it will open the theme editor. Here you can see we are using the theme Dawn theme. It is quite good one and lightweight theme, that's why I am going to work with this one. Just click to the customize. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the theme editor. Here you can change your logo, colors, font and home page, whatever you want you can change it. And you can add banners, slideshow, feature products, drag and drop until it looks how you want. Always preview your site on desktop and mobile to make sure it is great everywhere. Once you've done, now the rest come here that add your product. So how you can add your product? Just click on products and then you will have the options to add products. Just click the add product options again and then add a clear product title, write a detailed description, set the price, upload high quality photos and choose your inventory setting. You can also create collection like categories for clothes, electronics or any products you will set. Repeat this for all products you want to launch in here. So here you can see this is the button. If you click over here, then eventually you will get the options to provide and title, description, image, price and track inventory, whatever you. Then you just need to click on the save. Once you're done, you just need to come back to the setting for setup payments and shipping. And once you come over here, then you will see the payment option. You just need to go over here and from that place you just need to add your payment method. So you can add PayPal over here, you can add Payoneer, you can add MasterCard and many more like debit, credit, whatever. Then Bitcoin. Once you've set up your payment method, now you just need to set up your shipping one. So you just need to go over here and from that place you just need to set up your shipping and delivery options. Here you can add rates or for local or international shipping. Be clear about your delivery times and costs to avoid surprise for your customers. So from that place you can add your shipping domestic and international one. Once you feel that all are look good and all are set up perfectly, now you just need to test and launch your store. Before you go live, test your checkout. Place a test order and make sure everything works payment, text, shipping perfectly. Once you are happy, pick a custom domain name like your store.com under domains, connect it, and you are ready to launch. And that's it. You have just built your own e-commerce website ready to make sales online. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and drop a comment if you would like a tutorial on marketing your store next. Good luck with your online business. See you in the next video.